Hello, kids. My name is Bella, and let's get started with our today's class. Today, we're going to learn about a figure called circles. I hope so you're already aware about what exactly are circles. So, circle are circular in shape. For an example, your ball, your dice, and similarly, your pupil. All are circle in nature. Now, let's try to understand the different parts of circle. So as you can see over here, circle has a various part. First of all, center. Center is the point from which the radius of the circle throughout will remain the same. The question arises, what exactly is the radius? So radius is the distance from the center to all the way to its boundary. So no matter if you're gonna draw a line from here to here, or here to here, or here to here, or here to here, it's going to be the same. This is called radius and it is given by r. Similarly, we have diameter. Now, what exactly is the diameter? So, it's nothing but just the double of radius. That means the radius is from center to the circumference. Diameter is from one corner to the another corner on the circumference or on the boundary passing through the center is called diameter. Always remember, kids, that 2r, that means this r and this r makes one diameter. Similarly, we have a chord. It is just like the diameter, but instead of passing through the center, it just touches from one end to another end, like so, like so, like so, like so, like so. But it doesn't include the center. Similarly, we have arc. Arc is when two radius joins and they form a sector, that is called your arc. Remember, whenever we drive a car or whenever our parents drive a car, so the windshield goes like this, it cleans that particular area, so that's the arc. Similarly, we have a secant. When a chord is extended to its outer portion, it's called secant. And then we have a tangent. Tangent is whenever you draw a line on the boundary, aka circumference of a circle which is not going inside the circle, that's called the tangent. That's all. These are the different parts of circle. I hope you remember it and I hope you understand it. If you have any questions, any queries, feel free to ask. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day.